So what is matching concept? Matching concept simply says that when you take advantage or benefit, when you take benefit of an expense, when you take benefit of an expense, then you should charge that expense in that particular year, whether amount or cash is flowed out or not. Sir, can you say it in other words? For example, let us take an example. Don't write that example. Suppose I took a house on rent, and the rent is rupees 20,000 per month, and I have taken that house for the year 25, 26. Let's suppose I have taken this house on 1st April 2025 till 31st 31st March 2026. So what is my financial year, sir? My financial accounting year is 25 and 26. Okay. So I have paid the rent for the whole year. I have paid the rent for whole year. And what benefit I have taken? Sir, I have taken the benefit of staying in that house for 12 months. Okay. But let's suppose my landlord, let's suppose this is my landlord. Okay. What's his name? His name is Mr. Bhola. Let's suppose Mr. Bhola came to me on 31st March and he said, okay, Mr. Sunil, you have paid the amount of 20,000 rent for the March. You have paid the rent for the whole year on time. But I'm in a little bit of situation. I need urgent money. So can you please pay me 2 month rent advance. 2 month rent advance, that will be rupees 40,000. So for what month he is asking me? Sir, he is asking me for the next year, April and May. He is asking me he is asking me to pay the rent for the month of April and May of the next year. Next year means 26 to 31 3 27, for the next financial year, that is 26 and 27. I will say, okay, Mr. Bhola, I will pay you the amount. There's no issue, and we will adjust it later on the next year. Now, I'm standing on 31st March 2026, and now I'm recognizing my expenses. Now let us match my expenses with my benefits. For the year 25 and 26, how much benefit I have taken? Sir, I have taken benefit of 12 months for that room, because I only stayed in room for 12 months. I only stayed in this house for 12 months. So how much benefit I have taken from this house? So only for 12 months. But how much amount I have paid for this amount? Sir, you paid rent of 20,000 per month, and for the whole year you paid 2 lakh 40,000. But your landlord asked to pay 40,000, that is the advance rent of 20 advance rent of next 2 months. Now match this. Is this matching or not? Is this matching or not? You have taken the benefit of 12 months, but you're recognizing the expense of 2,60,000, which is for 16 months, So what matching concept says? Matching concept simply says, if you taken the benefit of if you have taken the benefit of an expense or an asset for that particular period, then you should recognize that expense for that particular period only. Or in simple words, I can say that I have taken the benefit. Let's match it. I have taken the benefit. How much benefit I've taken? Sir, I have taken benefit for 12 months. So how much rent should I recognize? Sir, you should recognize 2,40,000 rent in the current year of 25 to 26. This is the matching concept. So matching concept simply says you should match your expenses, you should match the benefit of your expenses with the amount of your expenses, whether the amount has been paid in advance, whether the amount has not been paid. Sir, what did you say in the last line? I'm saying that let's suppose for the whole year my rent was 2,40,000. But I asked Mr. Bhola, my landlord, okay, sir, I don't have the money right now, and I can only pay you the amount of rupees 2 lakhs only, and the balance 40,000 I will pay you later or in the next month. Okay, now match. Now again match. How much benefit I have taken? Sir, you have taken the benefit. Still, you have taken the benefit of 12 months. You have taken the benefit of 12 months. But how much amount you have paid? Sir, I have paid only 2 lakh because I didn't pay 40 lakh. I said that on 31st March, I said, Mr. Bhola, that I will pay the balance 40,000 in the next year. So now let us equate this. The benefit I have taken for 12 months, but the expense I have paid, the outflow is for 10 months. Is this balancing or not? Is this equation is equal or not? No, sir. This equation is not equal. So now again, we should balance it or equate it. Sir, the benefit you have taken 12 months and the rent for 12 months is 2,40,000. In this 2,40,000, 2 lakh have been paid and 40,000 is outstanding. But you will recognize the whole amount of rupees 40,000 as rent expense. You will recognize the whole amount of rupees 2,40,000. Sir, but we didn't pay the 40,000. Yes, this is the matching concept. Whether you paid or not, you have to recognize the expenses for which you have taken the benefit. So you should match the benefit taken from an expense or an asset to the amount of that asset or expense, and should recognize that amount in that particular year. It doesn't matter that you pay or not pay. It doesn't matter you paid in advance. It doesn't matter if the amount is still pending. Okay. So have you got the whole concept of the matching concept? Now write down. Have you write down the example? If not, I'm giving you a time to write down the example. Okay. You can pause the video and write the whole example. Now write down. Write down. As per matching concept, we have to record or recognize only that part of expense, only that part of expense in relevant in relevant year for which we have taken the benefit. or we can say that, लिखिए, or we should we should match the cost of benefit taken from an asset or expense, and should record the cost related to that benefit in relevant in current year. You can write down in current year. Okay, so it was simple.